What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On this channel we talk about everything affiliate marketing and making money online. So you clicked on the thumbnail, you know what you're going to get in this video. I'm going to show you how I was able to watch YouTube videos and make over $200 in the space of 2 days. Alright guys, make sure that you stay to the end of the video so I can show you a bonus method on how to literally 10x your earnings. Literally 10x, not like the marketing 10x, literally 10x your earnings. Just one more thing before we get into it. Don't skip to the end of the video and get to the link of the actual site, because you're not gonna know the method of how to do this. You're gonna sign up and then you won't know what to do. So make sure you watch the whole video. That I've made it short for this reason, so that you don't get tired and you watch the whole video so that you can maximize this method and make money watching YouTube videos. All right, let's get into the screen. All right, so we're in the screen now, and as you can see, this is the actual site. I am not gonna show you guys the actual site because I want you guys to wait till the end of the video, and I want you guys to learn how to do this properly. Okay, so this is the site, and I'm gonna show you how to sign up. All right, guys, so we're at the sign up screen. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click over here, log into my, or rather, we're gonna go to sign up. All right, so as you can see here, we've entered our name, our last name. So we're gonna put a birthday in here. So you can put your actual real birthday, or you can put a random birthday. So I'm just gonna put random birthday here because I already created an account. So I'm gonna put 1996, and July is fine, July 10. Okay, so I already entered an email address here, and I've already entered a password. Okay, so I am not a robot. Oh, okay, captures, tractors. All right, so we're gonna click here, click here. Ooh, this is actually more difficult than I thought. Ooh. So now we are gonna create the account, okay?
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
All right, cool. So as you can see, we're back in the in this website. We've signed in, it's a new account, and we have a watch balance of $5 upon sign up. So our total account balance is $5 upon sign up, okay? All right, so if we scroll down here, we can see that there are 5 videos that you can watch. So what these videos are, you watch the video, and you only have to watch about 34 seconds. You don't have to watch the full video. You just have to watch 34 seconds of each of these videos, and then you get credited to your account this amount of money. So you can see here there's 5 videos, and what this means is that you can only watch 5 of these videos each day. Okay, so you're only going to be making $2.48 per day by just watching the videos. So how are we gonna get the rest of the balance? So now we're back. So now we're back in my account, and we can see over here I've actually managed to achieve 266 sign-ups so far with this method, and that's how I've actually been able to. It's just making me click here. So that's how I've actually been able to get these bigger balances. So you do have to watch some of the videos. You do have to watch the videos as well. But you also can double up by referring people to your link, and then for that way you get referrals, and then it increases your balance fairly quickly. So I'm going to show you how exactly to do this using 2 methods. One is a free method and one is a paid method, but you're only gonna have to pay $5, and then you ramp it up pretty quickly. Alright guys, so for the free method, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Facebook. Okay, so we're gonna use Facebook. We're gonna use Facebook groups for this free method. And then you're gonna go to menu, and you're gonna go to groups. All right, and for groups, you're gonna search for make money online. Make money online. Let's just say make money online. Okay, then you are gonna join. Just wait for it to load. So you're gonna see all of these groups that are in here. So I've just said see all, so I can see all of them. Okay, it's being weird right now. Okay, there we go. So these are all of the make money online groups. There's more than this. So depending on your region. Also, you can also create your own make money online public group where you can just literally post these things in there yourself. So you can join a group, or you can create your own group. Okay, so in this example, we're just gonna I've already joined this group, so let's go into the actual group. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna write a post. Okay, So this post, we're gonna write something like this. Hey guys, I found this website where you can watch videos for free and earn money watching the videos. Here's proof of my earnings. If you're interested in learning how, comment down below, I'm in. Okay, so once people comment down below, you're gonna send them your affiliate link. And if we go back, if we go back to here, we get our affiliate link by going to account and then going to referral, and then we're in the referral page, and this is the actual link that we're going to send them, and then we increase the signups, and then you get the over 200 signups, like I got the 200 signups. Okay, so let's go back to Facebook. So now you're going to put this in. So what we've said in this post, we've said here is proof of my earnings. So how are we going to get the proof of my earnings? So guys, this is a little bit like black hats, but it's just getting signups, and you're not hurting anyone because they just need to sign up and they will also be able to do the same thing. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to say 𝗬𝗀𝗀𝗧𝗏 payment proof. Okay, so let's scroll down here, see if we can find a video, a picture. There we go. Here's a payment proof. All right, so you're going to get this payment proof and you're going to save it to your laptop. Okay, so let's just save image as, and we are going to go to desktop and the download. Okay, so now we're back at Facebook, and let's get a photo. Oh, it's right here. It's a blonde moment. Okay, let's just go. So let's just add the photo right now. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go here. Just copy, and then there we go. There's the image. So it's a bit of social proof, and you don't want to put the link in here because Facebook then shuts down any kind of posts that direct people away from the platform. So you want to have a post where there's going to be lots of engagements, just so it gets more boost, gets more visibility in a group of 150,000 people. And then once all the people that comment I'm in, you are just going to then send them a DM or respond to the comments by sending them the link, and then they sign up to the link, and that's how you're going to get the signups. All right, so the second method, and this is if you're a bit lazy like I am, you're just going to pay for it. You're going to pay for someone to do the signups. So where are you going to find someone to do the signups? Okay, so if we go back to the screen, we need to go to Fiverr. And if you don't have a Fiverr account, Fiverr is essentially a place where freelancers sell their services to buy, to sell their services from people like you and me that are buying a various amounts of various different categories of things, whether it's video editing, thumbnails, or just music, lots of different things on Fiverr. So if you want to join Fiverr, I do have a link down in the description, and you can join Fiverr today. All right, so when you get to Fiverr, right, you're gonna go to the search, and then you're gonna search for email sign up, right? So when you get to email sign up, you're gonna find like a person like this, and check this out. $5, you pay $5 and they'll sign up 20 times, okay? So 20 times is $20. So you're gonna be sitting in $15 profit just from the referrals. So if you don't want to go through the graft of doing all of that on Facebook, make sure that you're looking at these, you're looking at the paid side. The paid side is the easiest way to get something done. It's either you pay for it with time or you pay for it with money. This website has minimum withdrawal thresholds, okay? So if I try to withdraw here, it says failed payout. And why is this? Because I have a referral balance of 15 and an ads balance of 65 that's needed to withdraw this money, okay? So I've only watched videos to the value of 22, and I've had all these referrals. So what does that mean? That means that it's probably worth more my while to create one account, because if we go to 150, that means I need to watch a lot of ads, a lot of this is going to take like 2-3 months for me to get here. So for me to earn a lot of money, to earn $80 times 10, I'm going to create 10 accounts, okay? 10 different accounts with 10 different emails. But you don't have to create the emails, you don't have to have 10 different emails. What you can do, and if you have Google, okay, so we're back in here, So you would have signed up with your normal email. If you sign up on this website, you're going to be able to sign up, press a dot, and this is just a little hack that people don't know about with Google, is that Google will see this as one email. This is the same email, but 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗃 itself, the site, doesn't actually tell, it can't tell the difference that these are two different emails. So in that way, you're going to keep, so this is going to be your second sign up, and this is going to be your third sign up, and this is going to be your fourth sign up, and then this is, I don't know if you can actually do that. We can check that, but you know, and so on and so forth until you get to 10 signups, so that you can be doing this simultaneously for 26 days. 26 days at 2.48 per day will give you about the $65 or so ads balance. And then the referrals, we've spoken about the referrals, those are the easier ones to actually get. Alright guys, that's how you make money watching YouTube videos. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button. It costs nothing to you, but it goes a long way towards helping this channel. Guys, let me know if you like this kind of content, if you like these kind of methods of making money online, where I do the research and I test it out. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. If you like this, let me know in the comments so I know to continue creating these kind of videos. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video in the Let's Build an Online Business series, episode 2, where we're going to be talking about how to choose a traffic source, your very first traffic source. That being said, guys, stay healthy, stay focused, and stay tuned. Bye, guys.